Today on AFOL TV, we're exploring our Chipotle build, and it starts right now. Alright guys, welcome back. As mentioned, today we're exploring our Chipotle build, which was first released on our website a few months ago, and we'll link the instructions down below, so if you want to build this one and add it to your own city, you can do so. Now, Chipotle has a special place in my heart. As a broke college kid, several years ago, it was often my go-to meal since I could be fully fed for about $7, at least, back then. And I would often eat Chipotle for both lunch and dinner to save money. So it only felt right to make a LEGO version, and it honestly turned out as one of my favorite restaurant builds that we offer. Built to minifigure scale, the Chipotle build was designed to be a modern look, as most Chipotles are, with industrial finishes both inside and out. If you notice, the front of the building has a cool industrial finish, and then the backside also has an industrial finish with the corrugated LEGO panels. The design also carries a southwestern US or like a desert look, and the cacti featured in this build are actually a build tutorial that we've done previously and can be found on our channel. I'll be sure to link it up above. Since most of our builds are tropical, it was really fun to kind of change it up and do something a little different and to make a desert feel for this one. Additional outdoor details include covered entrances, a back of the house trash area with roof access, and the use of less common colors, which I think really makes the building stand out. We're also, used dark trans color for the glass facade, which again, I think it really helps achieve that traditional industrial look of Chipotle. It's important to point out that this entire building is modular, and that also means that the roof comes off to access the interior. Once inside, the minifigs will see a standard Chipotle layout with a food prep area with space for lime to form, including a tortilla press that actually moves, as well as a glass, beverage fridge and a small cold food shelf below the checkout counter. The instructions for the build do not include interior furniture, as we found that most people who download our instructions actually prefer to build their own layouts and their own interiors. That said, we did throw together some simple furniture for this video that looks similar to what you'd find inside of a Chipotle, and we even have a minifig with a foil-wrapped burrito. Now, moving towards the back, there is a kitchen area where you can add additional kitchen furniture, and we even have an instructions pack for these available as well. We also offer instructions for soda machines and other interior details that you typically find inside a restaurant, in case you really want to pack the interior. There are also restrooms towards the right for both genders, but wait, how do you access them? Well, the top comes off to access each, and you can build them out as well as you see fit. There's also an employee door in the back, which leads to the back of house area and food storage, as well as the back door for trash. We wanted to keep the overall build not too big, so that it could fit within cities a lot better than if we were to do a full-scale one. So we did not include a walk-in fridge, and we tried to keep the back of house a little bit smaller than it would be in real life, while focusing on giving more space for the main food area and seating areas. The roof itself is one large piece that easily comes off and snaps back on, and we included rooftop details to make it more realistic with HVAC units and other vents, including ones above where the restrooms are. Additionally, the stickers can easily be made using our free sticker tutorial found on our channel, but I'm also going to link that one up above for you as well. Well guys, we hope you enjoyed today's tour of our LEGO Chipotle MOC. Again, instructions have been available and are already available on our website should you want to build this and add it to your own city, as well as a ton of other restaurants and drive-through builds to really customize the food offerings for your minifigs. As always, thank you to everyone who is subscribed and those who leave comments and share our videos. It really does help the channel, and we thank you so much. Be sure to check out our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok as well, as we often share builds on those platforms that aren't always shared on YouTube. Thanks again for watching today's video, and we'll be sure to see you next time.